cannot with him!
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god, the Gina bear.
He is so chunky. There's a lot more over here on this left side. Oh, there's one too. They're everywhere.
This person helped remove makeup that this TV actress was wearing on her head. These guys were drifting their cars and were unaware that they were right next to an undercover police car.
Kick like it's a soccer ball, he can lift weights, he can punch, and he can walk.
This dog had something stuck in its paw and was able to use voice buttons to communicate what was wrong.
In your ear? Where, stranger? In your paw? This was this stranger in her paw. She's got a mat between her toes.
There's a website called thispersondoesnotexist.com. Every time you refresh the page, it shows you a computer-generated image of someone that doesn't actually exist. This raccoon was on the back of this garbage truck when it decided to jump off and run away. This guy found a fun way to slide around on the water.
Sylvia,晚安，晚安，晚安。
You ate a bee this morning. How do you feel? Thank you.